Listen carefully, because the number one app on this list might just change the way you make money online forever. And trust me, if you skip even a second, you might miss the exact tool that could literally put dollars straight into your pocket. Let's start with number 5, Jasper AI. This tool is like your personal content machine. Imagine you're sitting with zero ideas, and boom, Jasper writes blog posts, captions, even YouTube scripts. And the best part? You can sell this content on Fiverr, Upwork, or even use it to run your own blog and earn through Google AdSense. Sounds simple, right? Number 4, Canva AI. Now wait, before you roll your eyes and say, oh, Canva is old news, hear me out. With its AI features, you can create professional designs in minutes, logos, YouTube thumbnails, even full business presentations. People are literally paying $20 to $50 per design on freelance sites. And you're just clicking and dragging. Feels almost unfair, doesn't it? Number 3, Synthesia. Now this one is wild. Imagine creating a video without showing your face. Without recording your voice, nothing. Just type your text, pick an avatar, and boom, AI makes a professional video for you. And here's how you earn. Companies pay hundreds for explainer videos. You could literally sell one video for $200, while Synthesia makes it for you in minutes. Crazy, right? Coming in at number 2, ChatGPT. Yeah, the one you're probably using right now. But the trick is, not everyone knows how to monetize it. You can write ebooks and sell them on Amazon, create social media posts for clients, or even start a small agency where ChatGPT does 80% of the work. You just need to present it smartly. Think about it. People are struggling to write essays and ad copies, while you've got an AI that does it in seconds. And finally, number 1, the tool I told you is the game changer, Opus Clip. This tool takes your long videos and turns them into viral TikToks, Reels, and Shorts. You know what that means? You can start a faceless YouTube Shorts channel, post daily, and let the algorithm do its magic. Or even better, you can sell this clipping service to YouTubers who are too busy. They'll pay, you'll deliver in minutes, and they won't even know AI did the job. So there you go. 5 powerful tools, 5 different money-making methods. The real question is, which one are you going to try first? Because the faster you take action, the faster you see results. And who knows, maybe one of these tools is the reason your PayPal balance finally looks the way you've always dreamed of.